Well, you've probably noticed that Historic Studio D recently received a little bit of a mood-changing makeover. One of the most fun things about this time of year is showing off your decorations like your wreaths, poinsettias, garland, lights, you know, the whole 9 yards. And I'd be willing to bet that our next guest would agree with me. With me this afternoon are Linda King, the chair of the Women's Club of Milton Fundraising Committee and past president. She's here with Laura Bartis. She is a homeowner in Milton. Welcome to DelmarvaLife.
Thank you.
And we're going to talk about your event coming up in just a few moments. But first, I want to talk about a little bit about the Women's Club. Give me some background.
The Women's Club of Milton is a nonprofit service organization. We're all volunteer, and we do community service projects and fundraisers that we give back to the town of Milton and the Milton community. And so we've been around for 50 years. We celebrated our 50-year anniversary last year. We're part of a larger organization, the GFWC, Greater Federation of Women's Club, which is an international organization, clubs all around the country. Yeah. And our biggest fundraiser is the Milton Holiday House Tour.
Okay, so what other kinds of, I guess, outreach or engagements do you do?
Oh, we do a lot of different kinds of community services. We give back to the Milton Food Pantry. We collect food for the pantry. We do mentoring in the schools, and we give donations to the schools. We make comfort bears, which are these little bears that are given to children and adults who are sick or grieving. We actually have an annual scholarship program. This year we gave out $9,000 in scholarships to young Milton women going on to college.
Nice.
And we, last year we donated and had installed in the Milton Memorial Park Playground adaptive equipment for children with disabilities. So and we sponsored the Little League girls softball team.
You do a lot.
There's a lot that
we could take up the whole hour talking about that. That's
right.
Wonderful. But you said your biggest fundraiser is a holiday house tour. Tell us about that.
Right. So every year, the second Saturday in December, we have our Milton Holiday House Tour, where this year we have 9 homes where the homeowners have decorated, which you'll hear from Laura in a minute, for the holidays, and we sell tickets. And we also have 3 public venues: the Milton Historical Society, the Town Hall, and the Milton Arts Guild. And we partner with them, and their stops on our tour. So that is coming up on Saturday, December 14th, and from 2 to 6, and we have tickets on sale for that right now. For instance, this is our tour book, which is actually the tour ticket. And you can purchase these in the town of Milton at the Mercantile at Milton, and Friendly Flowers Florists, and also in Lewis at Lewis Gourmet.
Okay. So Laura, how did you get involved with the Holiday House Tour?
So I am involved as the secretary of the Milton Chamber of Commerce.
Okay.
And we had a networking meeting that Linda was attending, and I happened to be talking to one of my friends about what I call my victory tree. So her name has lovingly become Big Bertha since then. When I bought my current house with my kids and we moved in, the first year we put up a stack of boxes as our tree, and the kids held signs that said, "Please Santa, no more boxes."
Yeah.
But I was able to find on Marketplace a 20-foot tree for $200. So Big Bertha goes in our front hallway, and I was talking about that victory, and Linda overheard and quickly came running across the room and said to me, "What's your name? I need to tell you about an opportunity." And since then has talked me into it. So we are on the tour this year and ready to show off all the sparkle.
Oh, wow. So besides the tour, what other activities can folks enjoy?
Well, actually, I think you want to talk about that.
So the weekend before the tour, so this coming Saturday, is Hollyfest in Milton. So that is run by the Chamber of Commerce, and we have over 100 different crafters and vendors at 3 different locations, the Fire Hall, H.O. Brittingham School, as well as the Milton Library. There are food trucks. All of our restaurants downtown will be open, as well as the Historical Society. The Women's Club will be there selling tickets to the tour. We'll have all of our community groups out. The Garden Club is going to be selling fresh greens. It's a wonderful, wonderful day in Milton to come and do some holiday shopping, visit the town, check out the outside of the houses, to then buy your tickets and come back the following weekend to see the insides.
And that's how you get your tickets, or can you order them?
You can order them ahead of time, and then you can pick them up at on the day of the event at the Historical Society.
Sounds wonderful.
I also want to add that at the Holly Festival, the Women's Club has our annual bake sale, which is a really big do, and we're in the Fire Hall.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in. And you had one more thing that you wanted to.
I do. I wanted to present on behalf of the Women's Club of Milton a donation to bless our children.
That is wonderful. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for this. And thank you for coming in to talk about the Holiday
for
House
having
Tour.
us.
Thank you.
And good luck.
Thank you very much.